Get ready to take on projects you never imagined possible with a handheld saw. With 13 amps of power, nearly 3 inches of cutting depth, and precision down to the millimeter, the Festool TS 75 puts the power in your hands. The Festool guide rail makes perfectly straight, splinter-free sawing a reality. Positioning and adjusting the Festool guide rail is simple and requires no tools. The guide rail ensures that all your cuts are straight, accurate, and repeatable. Cutting depth can be set to the nearest millimeter for incredible precision. The depth and power of the TS75 can even allow you to work with multiple workpieces simultaneously. The Festool splinter guard is easy to attach and gives you splinter-free, glue-ready cuts on both sides of the blade. Why cut one sheet at a time when you have nearly 3 inches of cutting depth and 13 amps of power? With its unmatched capabilities, you can see how the TS75 could easily cut your workload in half or better. Even thick workpieces like this solid wood door are no match for the TS75. Usually this task would require a much larger, heavier saw. The TS75, along with the Festool guide rail, virtually eliminates reworking by making the first cut the right cut. Look at the quality and smoothness of this cut. It's straight, splinter-free, and the door is ready to hang. To change blades, simply release the fast fix lever to engage the spindle stop. Then use the onboard Allen key to unscrew the bolt and change blades. Use the Allen key again to affix the new blade. Fes-tool offers saw blades for many applications and material types. Lock the fast fix lever back into place, and just like that, you're ready to saw. When cutting metal, use the Festool spark catcher. The spark catcher ensures that no live sparks end up in the filter bag of your dust extractor. Now it's time to trim a foam core steel door. Note the ease with which the TS75 rips through even this tough, dense material. The cut speaks for itself. For precise plunge action, align the index mark to the beginning of the desired cut. Set the return stop. Another way the TS75 achieves plunge cut perfection is the retractable riving knife. When making a plunge cut, the riving knife drops down into the kerf, acting as a spacer and drastically reducing kickbacks. All this Festool technology culminates with another perfect plunge cut. With precise depth adjustment, it's no trouble to trim planks of hardwood flooring. The TS75, with its accuracy and power, is the perfect tool for the job. The result is precise, factory edge cut quality. From a solid wood door to thick solid surface material, this saw can handle any job you come across in less time than ever. You can see for yourself how even the toughest countertop materials can't stop the power of the TS-75 saw. Another cut, another example of proven Fes-tool results. The Festool TS-75 makes the truing process practically effortless, and you can see that as we true this heavy piece of oak. Typically, you would need a table saw for this job, but with an incredible 13 amps of power, the TS-75 is the only saw you'll need for the job. A perfect 90-degree cut. The TS-75 makes once difficult bevel cuts fast and simple. Since the rubber edge of the guide rail is the cutting line, there's no offset to worry about. One pass is all you need for a perfect, splinter-free cut. You can see for yourself the precision and ease of making bevel cuts with the Festool system and the TS-75 saw. You can see for yourself the dramatic difference that Festool dust extraction makes. It keeps debris off the ground, out of the air, and out of the way. Most Festool power tools operate on the same system. So whether you're using a TS-75 saw, a Rotec sander, or even a jigsaw or router, the Festool plug-it power cord and dust extraction hose fit hand in hand. Fast fix saw blade changing system. Triple motor bearing. Rotating dust extractor connector. Exact depth setting. Spring-loaded riving knife. Easy to reach limit stop. Slip clutch. Splinter guard on both sides. Zero play guidance.